Okay, I picked it up. It's kind of heavy. It's nummies. Yeah, let's go open the box. So I told you I was picking up some yumminess from the post office. This is from Gina and Terrell of Big T Spice Company. Big T Spice Company. More spices! Yeah. After I did that video on consolidating all my spices, Gina and Terrell contacted me and wanted to send me some spices. So of course I'm like, yes. So here is what they sent me. Let's open it up. This is my Kershaw. This is exciting. I said it was kind of heavy. It's kind of heavy. Ooh. And let me look at this. I might not read all of this. It's kind of long, but how cool is this? Yeah, I will read this and I will be right back with y'all. Oh my gosh, that was so sweet. Thank y'all. Very personal about our YouTube channels, Deborah and mine, and thank y'all for sharing. Because I just turn on the camera and think blah, 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 and think. But anyway, thank you so much for your kind words. And did y'all paint these? They're beautiful. I needed a new bookmark. I've got many books going on all the time, so yeah, I need bookmarks. Anyway, so let's look at the spices. Let's look at the price. Gosh, these are big bottles too. I'm gonna read what she said they're really good for. So this is let me start where she's, hang on. This one. I have to put my glasses on. Look how beautiful it's packaged. This is Swine Grind. It's a pork rub and seasoning. It's made in New Mexico. Isn't that cool? It's sweet and savory. This award-winning pork rub and seasoning is great on pork butts, pork chops, and ribs. Also great on chicken. We use the smoker, grill, oven, or skillet. This blend is amazing flavor and color. MSG free, yay. No additives, no fillers. Made with sea salt. Yum. Alright, I can't wait to try that. And I meant to have a pork roast or a pork shoulder already thawed out, but I'm going to do that today because I'm going to try the Swine Grind. Okay, what does she say about that? I'm saying she. It could be Terrell too, also. He could wrote this. Use this on pork or chicken, but honestly, pork is where it's at with this one. It's mildly sweet and pleasant. The sweet is a dried form of honey. Oh, yum. Very cool. The next one, I know this one's going to be one of my favorites. Garlic jalapeno. Look at that. Oh, wonder how hot it is because I want to stick my finger in this one. It's got dehydrated garlic, sea salt, jalapeno, savory, and red pepper. Yeah. Since 2014, they've been crafting award-winning small batches, artisan seasonings that are flavorful and delicious. Yum. I am going to open this one. She says, Terrell opens up his sandwich and sprinkles this on. LOL. but it's super good at jalapeno poppers on the grill. Oh, that sounds good. And has sprinkled this in cream cheese, also very good on steak or really anything you want a little garlic bite on. I'm gonna open this one because I know I'm gonna see how. I'm gonna taste this. Don't know how hot it's gonna be. Woo! Yeah, that's gonna kick. Yum. Yeah. That's gonna be my new favorite. It has a little kick. Where's my Coke? That's good. I'm like corn on the cob. Yeah, that's gonna go good with a lot of things. All right, let's see. Honey chipotle. Chipotle, yeah. Let's see what she says on this one. Again, a wonderful on pork. Okay, so now I'm gonna make pork twice in the next couple of weeks. However, great on so many other things as well. Yeah, I bet. I can't wait to try that. That's a lot of spices right there. And this is 7 blend seasoning. And she says this goes good on everything. It's one of our newer seasonings and it's definitely has proved its worth. Yeah, I can't wait to try that. Yum. That is so sweet. I am gonna go with all that pork shoulder out right now so I can try some of this swine grind. That was so sweet of y'all to send this, and I can't wait to try it. And you will be seeing it in videos because I always love to try new spices. And y'all hear Bandit, he's tiptoeing around in here. Come here, Bandit. Come here. Come here. Let me see. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? There's Bandit. I'm babysitting today, huh? Babysitting today? I need to go get Sammy now, huh? Alright, I'm going to get off here. Thank y'all so much, Gina and Terrell. I already love these, and I can't wait to try them on a whole bunch of different stuff. Yum. Isn't that fun? Are you really looking at the camera? Oh, you're looking outside? Okay. All right, I will see y'all in the next video.